Postman is an application used for API testing. It is an HTTP client that tests HTTP requests, utilizing a graphical user interface, through which we obtain different types of responses that need to be subsequently validated. This tool has the ability to make various types of HTTP requests like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and convert the API to code for languages like JavaScript and Python. Now let's learn how we can install it on our computer. Type Postman into Google. Click on the Download Postman tab. Click the Windows 64-bit button. Installation will be completed shortly. Click on the downloaded file to start the installation. Installation completed automatically. You can change the Postman theme. There are several options. You can create a request by clicking the plus button. You can create HTTP requests such as GET, POST, PUT and DELETE from this tab. The channel has a playlist explaining how the Python Fast API library works. You can learn how to use Postman program by following the playlist. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.